Alright guys, so here's how you can check all photos on your Facebook. So first open up the Facebook. Alright guys, so first search the name. You wanted to search the name, not to tap on profile. So you can see here I have searched name and my photos. So this is my name and photos, just type like that, and it's to show like photos of the profile picture that you are trying to look, but you don't want to look on this all. So to view the photo you need to scroll like that on right, and there is a photo section separately by Facebook, so tap on there, and now you can see all the photos that I have posted. So to filter out the old photo you need to tap on the setting gear icon, and then you should choose the date posted. So scroll down to any date that you wanted to see the photos. So let's see, like 2018. So the results. So guys, these are the photos and videos and all the posts and events that I have posted from that date. So you can see that it's really old photos right here. You can see that it's 2018. So this is how you should see old photos or even of videos that you have watched, alright, or liked, or you have uploaded. It's all on here. So this is how you should filter out the old photos of yourself or your profile, or even it work on other people's profile as well, that is friends of yours, and it should work with any other profile as well, but they should have set their profile privacy to everyone. Alright, so this is how it should work, and you can filter it out to old like this. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next video. Peace.